Cryogenic systems are exposed to extreme temperatures and thermal cycling, making weld quality non-negotiable. The TATE orbital welding machine creates uniform welds with excellent grain structure and minimal residual stress, critical for maintaining performance in liquid nitrogen, oxygen, or helium systems. Avoid microcracks, leaks, and future failures with repeatable, documented welds. Built to handle both large-bore piping and small-diameter precision tubing, TATE gives you the confidence to operate in extreme conditions. Let's discuss your cryogenic application today.